In this video we are going to repair a Yamaha HTR3063. The problem is that it goes off when you turn it on and giving it a HDMI signal. We have to replace a few capacitors to solve this problem. Initially, our first step involves loosening the screws securing the amplifier's cover. Remove the back cover of the amplifier. At this point, the printed circuit board is visible, revealing 3 capacitors that require replacement. One of them exhibits a rounded top, indicating existing damage or defects. Next, we need to detach the circuit board from the heatsink by unscrewing it and loosening some screws. It's worth noting that if you have another Yamaha receiver, it would be beneficial to examine whether the capacitors in that unit also require replacement. Ensure that you organize all the parts you removed, so that reassembly can be done effortlessly. With the circuit board now detached from the heatsink, we need to unplug certain cables. This is necessary because there is limited space to desolder the old capacitors and solder the new ones into position. Now we've got enough room to do the soldering job. Now that the soldering is done, let's reconnect the mainboard to the heatsink. Make sure to use the same screws as before to secure it in place. We can now reattach the back cover, secure it with screws, and then proceed to test the amplifier. Next, let's test the amplifier by connecting a media player as an HDMI input source to a television. Next, if you observe that everything is functioning well, feel free to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video.